Hello, so we have a new feature or more a new panel for shortcuts. There have been shortcuts, of course, but now they are customizable. So you can specify your own shortcuts for different items. There's a list here. You can get there in the front. There's this menu bar, and now we have here under Fontra application settings, and there you get to shortcuts. And here are the presets, so the default settings, and we can override them. When we hover, it says even click and record shortcuts. So when we click, we can say, let's do a custom shortcut for a pointer tool with P, and for the pan tool, Command P. And now you see we have custom shortcuts here, and the rectangle ellipse had, for example, an R for rectangle and an O for the ellipse. And now we can use them immediately. So when we go and click O, we have the ellipse tool, and when we click R, we have the rectangle tool, and P for the pointer tool, we can select something, and the command P for the pen tool. And that's it pretty much. So that easy. We can go back to the default. So there's this reset to default for a single one. We can delete one because, of course, when we want to delete something, we cannot say delete with a key because it would record it. So, and we can also reset all of them. So here it asks you if you're sure. We can delete everything, and now we are back to the default settings. When we modify something like the P, we can also export our customized shortcuts. So this exports a JSON file. And let's reset this. We can also import a shortcut. And what you see here is our P, and now it's back in there. So we can also share custom shortcuts with other people by sharing the JSON file with others. Yeah, that's it. Have fun, take care, and we hope that this helps you organize your next project a little bit faster.